Welcome back, motorcycle enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the world of motorcycle repair and maintenance. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, knowing how to handle basic repairs can save you time and money. We'll cover essential tips for DIY maintenance that every motorcycle owner should know. So let's get started. Number 1, tools and safety precautions. Before we start working on our motorcycles, let's talk about the essential tools you'll need for basic repairs. Having the right tools can make your maintenance tasks much easier. We'll go over the basic toolkit, including wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, and more. Additionally, safety should always be a priority. We'll discuss the importance of wearing proper protective gear, like a helmet, gloves, and sturdy boots. Safety precautions such as working in a well-ventilated area and using a stand to secure the motorcycle will also be covered. Number 2, oil change and filter replacement. One of the most crucial maintenance tasks for any motorcycle is changing the oil and replacing the oil filter. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process, highlighting the importance of using the correct type and grade of oil. You'll learn how to locate the drain plug, drain the old oil, remove and replace the filter, and refill with fresh oil. Number 3, brake inspection and pad replacement. Your motorcycle's brakes are essential for your safety on the road. We'll show you how to inspect the brake system and assess the condition of the brake pads. You'll learn how to identify signs of wear and when it's time to replace the pads. We'll demonstrate the proper technique for removing and installing new brake pads. Number 4, chain maintenance and adjustment. Maintaining the chain on your motorcycle is crucial for optimal performance and longevity. We'll guide you through the process of cleaning and lubricating the chain, ensuring it's free of debris and properly tensioned. We'll explain how to measure the chain slack and adjust it accordingly. Segment 5, tire inspection and repair. Your motorcycle's tires are the only point of contact with the road, so keeping them in good condition is vital. We'll discuss how to inspect your tires for wear, bulges, or punctures. We'll also demonstrate how to fix a flat tire using a tire repair kit, providing you with the confidence to handle minor tire repairs on your own. And that wraps up our Motorcycle Repair 101 video. We hope you found these essential tips for DIY maintenance helpful. Remember, taking care of your motorcycle is not only important for your safety, but also for extending its lifespan. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.